Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quest. To tell you in this tutorial is basically how to recover your Gmail ID without having to register the recovery mobile number spontaneously. Recovery email. It will be very helpful in a case someone who has stolen your Gmail ID and changed the password, or in a condition where you have lost your device and due to that you have lost your Gmail ID also and you are unable to configure it or sign in you that yes, this ID is yours. Yes, in a case also someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, now you would like to recover it. So yes, this can be recovered without having the registered recovery mobile number or recovery email, but you will have to provide the enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is yours. Yes, how it is possible? Of course, it can be possible by answering as many questions as you can. Yes, it's being demanded by Google. You will have to reply on the phone. Of course, you can. One is to separate the procedure that by giving some details, proof, evidence on the basis of within 48 hours, Google will reply. But quickly, if you would like to have, then of course let's learn this one. See, this is the ID that has been recommended my viewer. Yes, now see here, if I go for next, now we have one option that is try another way. If I click on here, try to another way, then here is option that either we have a number or we can escape in this option. So we don't have a number, so just we will go here, I don't have my phone. Now it's saying that I couldn't sign in you. So in that condition, we did not provide enough information. So for everything, just we will have to come in a smart, especially in the Play Store and the phone. In a Play Store, we will have to download that is a smart browser, safer and faster for the recovery of especially Instagram, the Facebook. So just let's see live here. Just if I click here to the install, now it has started to install. On the other hand, what we have to do, we have to click on a especially Google products, and thereupon of course we will hold Google browser. We have a help icon, of course we will pick this ones. Let's explore, and thereupon of course we would be here and we will go for notification, make it blocks simply. So it has been the blocks. We will back and of course we will tap on a permission, navigate the location, so where it is. Yes, this one's. Now here, just we will click here, allow, and now here, just make it use precise location that we will have to disable, and thereupon of course we will go for don't allow it. So if I click, so then of course it's a restriction that if you deny this permission, the basic features of your device may no longer as a functions or especially function as intended. So in that kind of course we will click for time being as not permanent. So of course now we will cut it from here. Once again we will come in a Google product, and thereupon we will hold Chrome browser. Should we have a special help icon, of course we will pick these ones and you will be landed here. Now here what we have to do, notification of course we will have to blocks, and thereupon of course we will go for in the permissions. So of course once again we will navigate the location, we will allow and make the precise enable and disabled. Once again we will go for here, and now here is also asking that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device especially maybe no longer function as intended. Of course we will click for time banks, and thereupon we will cut it from here. So before going to cut it here from here, just we will back one more time, and thereupon browser app Chrome. Here is smarter browser, we have options just to pick this ones, and thereupon we will cut it from here. Once again we will open this smarter browser, and thereupon further we will go for. Now here we will have to go for continue. So now it's applying for launchings. Wait 4 minutes. Now see, you have the Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, of course Netflix. So according to your especially the requirements, you can go for here. Just simply we will write here google.com. so here just we will have the especially keyboard, and let's see, yeah, we will write yes Google. Just pick on this one, first one, and now see here we have options, cut it from here, and we will go for directly click on a sign in. Just we will sign in. Now here what we have to do, we will have to write here this particular ID, Yes, and of course we will go for it. So now see here what will happen. It's asking here the enter the password. So we don't have the password to open or login or sign in. So now it's asking the enter the number. So we don't have a especially number. So now we will go for it's saying they couldn't sign in. So simply don't click on especially try again. If you go for try again, then you will have to provide some proof, and thereupon of course within a 48 hours Google will be recover your accounts and it will give you link to other reshare the password in your Gmail. But second option, if we want quick result or consequences or query, then of course come with this method. Cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will tab in a setting to of course we will have to explore the Google. So where it is Google service, just a tap on it guys. Google service, now here it is. Now we will click on a three dot, and thereupon of course we have the help option, and after the coming the help option, see first is a cant sign in your account. So now we have all the feature that you can have here. You forgot the password, you forgot your username and the email address used to sign in, or you know username and password but you can't sign in, or fourth condition is someone who is or someone I think or you think that someone else is using your accounts and you are having the trouble because the password has been changed anything. Yeah, you cannot reset. So according to your initialization, but firstly yes, you cannot sign to the Google accounts under these things. So no, you cannot sign from the third party service. Simply we will have to pick the fourth number that you think yes someone else is using your accounts. Now we have option here that is secure your account. We will pick this one, and thereupon of course we will go for further, and further we will have to go for review activity and help secure yes your hacked Gmail accounts, because hacked means someone who has changed your the password, someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, someone who has added the recovery email or the phone number, spontaneously change the password, and now you are unable to access often this. So in that condition, review your account activities, and here find out if your account has been hacked. Just we will pick this one. Yes, let me cut it this one. Now here we have options, that is especially here see Google account page. So now this once again this has been the of course open, but it will cut, and thereupon of course now here simply we will go for try again on this browser. See once again I would like to show you. Let's see here, especially when we come the setting, now we have options that I have already mentioned to you here. Just in a Google service I repeat here, see how easily you can pick it out. I repeat in this tutorials help to of course we will have to. Now we were here that directly we will pick this account page. When they see the Google account has been hacked, find out if your account has been hacked, just we will pick this one. So now see directly we would be here, just we will close this ad, and now see we are here. Just simply we will go for next options. So we have to go for next. Let's see. Now we would be directly landed here. Now see here that we have options, that is especially update password. Second we have options, that is a continue. In that condition don't pick especially here. Smartly we will have to handle that is update password. We will have to click, don't click on a especially blue color that continue, otherwise Google will start with the verification that yes to answer some particular security questions. So we are not going for continue, just simply we will pick the update password, and we will see here the Google has given opportunity to pick the especially see here create the strong password, and of course has a given opportunity that go for confirmation the strong password spontaneously. On the other hand of course you can directly skip it, and you can add the recovery registered mobile number, recovery email, and thereupon of course you can change the password. Right now we cannot generate here a strong password because this is the screen recording of this device, but of course you can go for simple opportunity given especially by Google the quickly if you want to recover your Gmail ID. To know more information, to know latest update information from this channel, of course for like, subscribe, the share of these concerns, because this is thing that will really inspire me to to a lot, especially to make it such as informative videos, especially and maybe helpful for those who are highly inquisitorial or inquisitorial to have this kind of information by free of course to increase acknowledgement in IT sector, guys. And of course, any queries, no blindly have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure would remain to the reply of the query. So this is all about in this video tutorials. Thank you very much indeed. Have a good time. Keep watching Technology Welfare. Bye bye.